hope you tried it, and I hope this is getting easier for you. Okay, so I've got 2x cubed plus 4x squared, excuse me, plus 0x minus 5 divided by x plus 3. X times what gives me 2x squared? Well, that's 2x, I'm sorry. X times 2x squared gives me 2x to the third. 2x squared times x is 2x to the third. 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared. Okay, just remember that whenever you're multiplying, you have to multiply by every term over here. Okay, so subtracting now, and I get negative 2x squared. I'm going to drop down the 0x. X goes into negative 2x squared, negative 2x times. Okay, and then negative 2x times 3 is in minus 6x. Subtract, so I'm changing the signs. I'm going to drop down this negative 5. So x goes into 6x 6 times. 6 times x is 6x plus 18. Subtract, negative 5 minus 18 is negative 23. So I add a negative 23 over x plus 3. It's kind of a mess, isn't it? But as you keep doing it, it's going to make more sense to you. All right, just a couple more examples. Okay, so this one here, again, it's getting a little more complicated, but let's look at this, okay? We've got 3x cubed plus, I don't have an x squared, so I'm going to put in a spot for that, plus 4x plus 11. And this is divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. Whew. All right, again, I'm only looking at the first term, all right? And I'm going to see what multiplies to x squared to give me 3x cubed. And then these are just stragglers. They're just going to follow along. All right, so x squared times 3x will give me 3x cubed. 3x times x squared, 3x cubed. Then 3x times negative 3x is a negative 9x squared. Then plus 6x. Okay? Going to subtract all of this. So there's a subtraction. Changes this sign, changes this sign. I now have 9x squared minus 2x, and then I drop down, plus 11. Okay. X squared goes into 9x squared 9 times. 9 times x squared is 9x squared. 9 times negative 3x is negative 27x. And 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, subtract. So I change the signs. This is going to give me 25x minus 7. And I don't have anything else to drop down. So this is my remainder. So this is plus 25x minus 7 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. All right, last one. I know it's been a lot. Okay? I want you to go ahead and try this one. So go ahead and pause your video. All right, this one's nice. We're not missing any terms. So I've got 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 7 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 1. All right, again, we're just looking at this one. What times x squared gives me 2x 2x cubed, well, it's 2x. 2x times x squared, 2x cubed. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And then 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. And we're going to subtract, so we change all the signs. So this gives me 3x squared minus 2x, drop down to 7. Okay, 3, if I multiply this by 3, I get 3x squared, so I have plus 3. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x is 6x. And then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Subtract, change these signs. So I get negative 8x plus 10. That's my remainder, so I have plus negative 8x plus 10 over x squared plus 2x minus 1. All right, there's really only one thing we were doing in this lesson today, but as you saw, it just got a little more complicated and a little more complicated. And so I gave you 6 problems, and I want to make sure, please do them. A lot of you aren't doing the homework, and it's really affecting your grade, and I'm really worried. So please make sure that you try these. And if you have any questions, let me know. The best thing to do is to come in and ask me personally. But if you can't do that, remember I've got those Zoom calls every day. Well, Tuesday through Thursday. And I can also Zoom with you on Fridays if you need to. Okay, so just let me know if you need help.